Okay, in front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Device Options. Now we need to select Keyboard and Language. Tap on Current Keyboard Settings over here and manage them however you wish to. You can do that by tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones, like autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!